Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Airmagnet Survey Pro covering automatic wall extraction. To automatically extract walls in Planner, I need to be using a CAD file. In my example here, I loaded the CAD file when I started my new project. Many CAD files contain a multitude of different layers, and it's important to find out which layers contain the walls that are of interest to you. The easiest way to do this is to go to View, Show CAD Layers. This will bring up a dialog box that shows all of the different layers in the CAD file that you've used. Then you can move the Drawing Layers dialog to the side while still viewing the floor plan in the main part of the window. Ideally, your CAD file will have layers with intuitive names such as Wall. I can see a couple wall layers in this file, but I'm still not sure yet which layers are the correct ones to use. An easy way to find out my layers of interest is to deselect all layers by using the Select All Layers toggle. I can then turn on layers one by one and I can see the resulting change in the display. Once I have found all the layers that contain my applicable walls, as well as any other informational layers that will be helpful to me, I can click OK to exit the viewing dialog. Now, to automatically extract those walls within Planner, I go to File, Extract Wall Objects from CAD. The Wall Extraction dialog will open. Note that the list of layers to import is limited to those that I have chosen to view. For each layer, I can click here on the wall type. This will bring up a drop-down menu, and I can set the specific type of wall that I want to use for this layer. I can go through all of my layers and set each one with an individual wall type at the bottom of the window. I have two controls that can improve the extraction process. I can tell the tool to ignore small wall segments of a configurable size, and to automatically merge parallel lines into a signal wall element if the two lines are a configurable distance apart. Depending upon the nature of my CAD file, either of these may come in useful. Once I begin checking the boxes for the specific layers that I want to extract, I have two options for how Planner will populate these walls. If I choose to overwrite the existing Planner walls, then any previously extracted or manually drawn walls will be removed, and the only walls present will be the ones that I'm extracting now. If I choose to append, then the extracted walls will be added to any walls that are already present in my plan. Be careful not to append the same layer multiple times. Now my walls from the layers I chose have been automatically extracted and drawn on my floor plan. I'll add some attenuation areas to handle the cubicles, and then I'm done. My site is now prepared and I can get on with my network design. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing Airmagnet Survey Pro.